Hi guys, so we have our finished Thunderjaw mech kit from Motorride, and I love this kit so much. The build was phenomenal. It's just so clever, so well engineered, and I enjoyed painting it even more if that was possible. So the painting side of things was really straightforward. What I did was I built the whole kit. Then I panel lined it with some Gundam markers, and then after Gundam marker panel lines were applied, I placed down the decals, and the decals were absolutely amazing in this kit. They're sort of like most of them had like a metallic effect to them apart from the orange decals, which look really nice. There's about 80 decals on this kit, and I used every single one of them. After the decals were applied, then I went in with an all-over wash with like Vallejo model washes. I think they're really good. They thin with water very well, and I really like those washes. And after the washes are dried, it looked quite grubby. I mean, I went with a black wash and sort of like a dark rust for the metallics. And then I come back in with my Awata airbrush and literally airbrushed all of the highlights throughout the whole kit over the top of the weathering. So it's kind of given the kit like a winter weathered snowy sort of vibe to it, and I really like this look. But yeah, that was sort of like the paint side of things. But I just have to say, this kit is so amazing, guys. If you love the game Horizon Zero Dawn and you love building kits, I highly recommend this kit. It was very easy to build, even though there's 28 runners, or for my wargaming hobby brothers and sisters, sprues, and obviously over 28 runners. There's probably several hundred parts. I mean, I don't know what the part list is, but yeah, loads and loads of parts. But very simplistic build, very easy to follow. No glues are required. It all snap fits together. You've got those metal sort of like parts for the legs that allow you to ratchet move the legs, which is very cool. But yeah, love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the Thunderjaw? Would you have gone weathered like my paint job, or would you have gone for a nice sweet clean anime style look to the kit? Let me know, and thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.